When we leave, can we do donuts? I mean, is there any kind of like?
Wouldn't.
Okay. I'm just trying to make sure. I'm just trying to make sure what the rules are. What is up? All right, we're at some car meet thing. Why is my car going off? Someone just got in there or something?
No, it did it when you got the camera out.
I didn't even notice. The police are on their way, and we didn't do anything, but let's see what happens. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Grocery shopping?
No.
Yeah.
You got your grocery list?
Milk, eggs, toast.
Hey, can you give us your opinion on the Trump Lambo?
No, I cannot.
Why? There.
No. Okay. Moral of the story: you guys aren't doing anything wrong. No one's in trouble. Target doesn't want you here.
Okay.
The group's getting a little big for them, so I just need you to disperse, go somewhere. Sounds like there's a cruise going on.
Yeah, we're all going to Bixby to mess with the cops there.
Perfect. I live there,
Which is on the other side
I'm
of the thing.
also headed to Bixby after this.
Good.
So maybe not.
Yeah.
But that's the bottom line. You guys need to just kind of get out of there.
When we leave, can we do donuts? I mean, is there any kind of like?
Wouldn't.
Okay.
But
I'm just trying to make sure. I'm just trying to make sure what the rules are.
yeah.
I gotta ask my dad anyway. So.
Do you get like a 5-second head start? Or?
Yeah.
So that's why we're here, actually. But they want this
Fair enough.
somewhere else.
Mostly it was
Okay.
this one that was
And
causing all the
see,
trouble.
that's what I figured.
Yeah.
But
He's throwing his cars around like they're nothing.
yeah.
Well, good.
All right.
Well, thank you for
So-
coming to visit.
But
and
please don't
we'll-
take your giant group and move to like Costco, because I always get called there too.
How does she know, like, do it?
Yeah, they send us up because everyone complains. So
Do you volunteer yourself because you like cars?
That's funny.
If you can just arrest one person, it'll freak everyone out and they'll leave. So you.
All right. I'm in.
Who wants to go to jail tonight? Clay, you're going to jail.
All right, fair enough. Let's go.
Maybe not.
all right. So
Okay, well,
I need
thank
you.
you.
Guys all to just
All right, we'll take off. Thank you.
Hey bro, how's Costco maybe?
Don't be suspicious.
So CVS?
Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays.
Hey, we can go
Guys, we're going to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A's closed right now.
Like,
I have to go get video of the police car first, so here we go. Troublemakers.
go there.
We'll go get some police lights for the thumbnail. That meet lasted like a minute and a half. I love the police lights. Yeah. I just want to look at of your car.
yeah, I've already done like
Oh,
a
yeah.
half or so.
Oh yeah, 12-volt dot solutions, remote start. That's right. So, really nice police lady. I forgot her name. It was like Kaczynski or something. She said we all have to leave. She's going around telling everyone, but I don't think everyone's really going to leave. I think they're just going to wait for her to go away. Because it's like they literally sent one popo to get hundreds of cars out of here. So I don't really think that's going to happen. But stick around. We'll see if there's any action.